Welcome back to No GMO Kitchen, the Manc menu. Today I'm going to do a take on the Indian veggie samosa. Instead of individual ones, I'm going to make it Wellington style. Now, as in most Indian dishes, you can adjust the heat to taste. So I'm going to make a mild one and a spicy one.
Bring a pan of water to the boil, then add a bag of potatoes and a couple of yams. Then peel and chop a couple of large carrots and a large onion. Put oil in the first pan and add the onion and chopped carrots. In the second pan, add the onions and begin to sweat down. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric to both pans, then a teaspoon of cumin, after that 1 teaspoon garam masala. Then a teaspoon of Kashmiri chili to the spicy pan. After that, 2 teaspoons ginger garlic paste. After that, juice of half a lemon. Mix them together for a few minutes. Once the spuds and yams are cooked, drain and put aside. Add some red chilies to the spicy pan and then a tablespoon of curry to both. Then season with salt and pepper. Add a splash of water and cook for another couple of minutes. Peel the potatoes and yams and crush them into the pans. Add frozen peas to the non-spicy pan and mix well. Then add coriander to both. Take a sheet of defrosted puff pastry and roll it out. Place the samosa mixture into the centre and cut the side into 1-inch legs. Once you've done both sides, begin to fold the legs over each other. After that, wash it with an egg. And do the same with the spicy roll. Cut a jalapeno and place it onto the spicy roll. Not only to give it more kick, but to differentiate between the two. Place in a preheated 425 degree oven for around 20 minutes, or whenever it begins to turn golden brown. Serve with some mango chutney or relish of your choice.
So, spicy samosa roll. What's the verdict?
Delicious,
You pay for it in a restaurant?
definitely. And I'm not used to having sweet potato in my samosa, but this works perfectly.
Grazie. Samosa roll. You like it?
Yeah, I like it.
Will you pay for it in a restaurant?
Yes.
Grazie.